Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, this is that tender that was dented and got the dent out, painted it. Anyway, it was missing a coupler on one end, so I wanted to do a quick video on a really simple way to make an emergency coupler. And what I've done, of course, I've done other videos on this, I just used a wire tie, a large black wire tie, and just drill a hole in it, put a screw, and you have an instant coupler. It doesn't have the tab, but it does have the slot. And so you can put this on a consist, as you see, and you're instantly up and running. So it works. It actually works quite well, as you see. So a plain black wire tie. You can buy them at Walmart. There's like 10 of them in a package for $1. But it works, and it's a great replacement until you get a tab and slot to go on there. And I don't know, they cost 20 cents to make them and a few minutes of your time. But it works, and if you don't have a tab and slot coupler, you're pretty much stuck on a lot of these things. So it's a really simple way to make a coupler, as you see, that will take the place of the tab and slot until you find one, get one. And it's simple, it's easy, it's cheap, and the best of all, of course, is the fact that it works. It works really well. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benstrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.